Thanks for joining me today at Scale's inaugural Gov AI Summit to advance the conversation on artificial intelligence. It is the most remarkable technology of our time. Talking to many people as I was walking in on that.
Artificial intelligence, or as we usually call it, AI, is an advanced technology that mimics human intelligence. AI systems get smarter with each successful round of data processing, since each interaction allows the system to test and measure solutions and develop expertise in the task it's been set to accomplish. And this process happens faster than the normal human rate. AI systems can become experts in any field far quicker than we can, making them incredibly effective options for any process requiring intelligent decision-making. This quality gives artificial intelligence the capability to compete with humans, as computers can think like a human brain and make decisions like we do, but much faster and even outperform human beings in different fields, making it an incredible and powerful tool that should be used carefully.
And so what we can bring is a lot of our expertise in working with these systems from the very beginning and have a ton of experience bringing this technology from prototype to production and actually help release this technology to the broader public.
Scale AI is one of many factors that influence the rise and development of technology nowadays. Scale AI is a vital player in the AI industry, offering data labeling and annotation solutions that are indispensable for training AI and machine learning models. Who is behind Scale AI? Does any one of you know who? Scale AI was built by Alexander Wang, who became the world's youngest self-made billionaire at 24 after dropping out of MIT 5 years earlier to co-found Scale AI in 2016. Alexander Wang had this vision about solving the challenges that face the infrastructures of machine learning and aimed to accelerate AI development. This young entrepreneur succeeded in earning a place among the 100 most influential people in 2023. Before we get into more details about his Scale AI creation, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and activate the ring bell to get notified on our new videos. Let's get started. So, what is Scale AI? Scale AI is the data platform accelerating the development of AI. Whether it is a self-driving car, chatbot, or any number of other capabilities that people are working on with artificial intelligence, it always comes down at the end to data. Alexander Wang said something interesting about this point. We are working to unlock AI, refer for every single industry, from the high-tech players like Meta, Microsoft, and others, all the way to large enterprises and the Department of Defense, as he mentioned this in his latest platforms, Scale Donovan and Scale EGP.
And we're working to unlock AI for every single industry, from the high-tech players like Meta, Microsoft, and others, all the way to large enterprises and the U.S. government and the Department of Defense, like you mentioned, with our new platforms, Scale Donovan and Scale EGP.
If you want to get a free ebook on personal branding, comment Scale AI below. Alexander Wang, the CEO of Scale AI, tries to offer a platform that combines human intelligence and advanced machine learning algorithms to annotate and label data, ensuring the accuracy and reliability of AI systems. So the major function of Scale AI is generating labeled datasets that work as a foundation for training AI models. These datasets contain data in various formats like images, videos, text, and 3D models, which are very helpful for an AI model to make predictions and decisions based on specific tasks. How does it work? Is it easy to use? Is it for everyone? We'll find that out. It looks simple when you hear it, but it is actually a bit complicated when it is you who is working on it. So there are these annotations who work in collaboration with their platform's machine learning algorithms. They follow specific guidelines to label and annotate the data about the platform they use. It provides tools and workflows that give efficient communication, quality control, and feedback loops between annotators and the machine learning models. This high-quality data that Scale AI offers can accurately represent real-time scenarios with its human-in-the-loop approach. By partnering with Scale AI, high-level companies can facilitate everything and take their models to the next level. Scale AI has a significant touch on various fields. For example, self-driving cars provide labeled datasets of roads and objects to make them learn faster. It didn't stop just in the car industry. It was used in the e-commerce field, where it provides products images to train computer visual models. Also, Scale AI had a major impact on the U.S. government and the Department of Defense. Alexander Wang believes that the country that implicates new technology into warfighting wins, as what happened with the atomic bomb in World War II, and this is not going to be different with AI.
Is able to most rapidly and effectively integrate new technology into warfighting wins. There's no reason to believe this will be any different with AI.
Artificial intelligence is a technology that has the potential to shift the balance of global military and economic power, and that is by amplifying the complexity of national security challenges and issues the United States face today. AI can change the future of the nation. Alexander's research on the implication of AI in the defense industry showed that the U.S. is far behind in the AI race, and that China is way ahead of the U.S. because they fund this field 10 times more than them. For defense, AI, the data that comes from the internet, is not enough. There must be a collaboration with other tech companies, plus the data that comes from the military assets and sensors. Alexander Wang works harder each day to make the world better, and for his wishes to happen, he decided to help his country to succeed and provide the best tools and technology to ensure that the United States government can defend its citizens, allies, and partners. It's getting exciting. Keep watching to see the butter of Scale AI. To understand how Alexander made his wants come true, let's go back to 2016 when Scale AI was founded by Wang and his co-founder Lucy Guo. After Wang dropped out of MIT and Lucy dropped out of Carnegie Mellon, they worked together at Quora. But Alexander came up with the idea while he was still a student at MIT, when he realized that there was a hole in the market. In order to bridge the gap between human and machine learning capabilities, there was a need for accurately labeled data sets that could train AI models. He used the help of his friend Lucy to bring his vision to life. He recruited her as a co-founder and product designer. Their main goal was to build a platform that combined human intelligence with machine learning algorithms to create a reliable data training system for AI. Alexander and Lucy built Scale AI to encounter the limitations of AI development at the time, which was limited by data labeling, annotation, and quality control. In August 2016, Y Combinator accepted Scale AI with a $120,000 seed round. They had great success and managed to grow their company. But Lucy left Scale AI to go and co-found a venture capital firm. In 2022, Wang was named the youngest self-made billionaire at 25 years old. What do you think about AI? Let us know in the comments. But what's special about Alexander Wang is that he had a contrary vision about AI. He thinks that artificial intelligence enhances and even supercharges humanity, while the world thinks of it as a threat, especially when they said that AI will replace some jobs around the globe. But like he said, AI was and always will rely on humans.
To me, it's the contrary of that. AI enhances and even supercharges humanity. Let me explain why. There are many reasons why AI will never replace humans. AI always has and always will rely on humans.
Alexander was a special kid who grew up with the urge to be a programmer since he grew up in a family of scientists. His mom was an astrophysicist and his dad was a physicist. To be in such a family makes you want to be as impactful as them in the world, and that is exactly what happened. Back when Wang was still at MIT, he created an algorithm that could detect intent with 80% accuracy and efficacy by using pictures of different human emotions, and by that, artificial intelligence needs humans to teach it individual values, and for AI to be in its best shape and to be more useful in various fields, it needs data. And we need high quality and accurate data to create reliable AI outcomes, which requires expert human insight and guidance. So algorithms need data, and data needs humans. Humans are the ones who teach algorithms what to do, and they are the ones who make all the decisions. They guide the algorithms if something happens. They tell them what to do, and AI learns from it and replicates. And this is the reality behind AI platforms. We want to know your thoughts about AI and the best way to regulate this. Is it going to benefit the world or the exact opposite? Comment below your answer. A, yes, it will be beneficial for all of us. B, no, it is dangerous and we can't trust it. It is a complicated question, right? We all wonder how this will happen. Let's see what the reality behind it is. The key to human-centric responsible AI comes down to a really solid data foundation. But keep in mind, there is no size-fits-approach regulation because there are some industries that need to regulate industries that AI impacts. For example, the FDA for medicine and health or the FAA for drones, etc. Ensuring that AI is employed for maximum benefit will require wide participation from policymakers, different industries, etc. Everyone must come together to ensure that artificial intelligence is developed in the safest and most trustworthy way possible for American citizens. They need to make proper test evaluations to ensure nothing is dangerous with the AI models that release and will release in the future. If you are a big fan of technology and the AI field, hit the ring bell to get notified when a new video comes out.